Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the components of blood. In this video we are going to discuss about blood vessels. Blood vessels are nothing but tube-like structures in which blood is flowing. Now depending upon the function, there are different types of blood vessels. Like arteries, we have veins and we have capillaries. Now, arteries are the blood vessels which carry the blood away from the heart, and it carries oxygenated blood to the tissues. Whereas there is a second type of blood vessel which carries deoxygenated blood from the tissues back into the heart. Okay. Now, this artery, it divides. There is a larger artery which is coming out of the heart, and in order to supply to different organs of your body, this artery has to divide, it has to branch into finer tubular structure, finer blood vessels, and that is called as arteriole. And this arteriole further branches around the tissues, okay, that is called as capillary. So a network of blood vessels around the tissue, that is called as capillary. After that, when around the tissue, the capillaries exchange the materials with the body tissues and collect all the waste material, deoxygenated blood, and connects it to the smaller, finer vein, that is venule, and all the venules get further connected to a larger blood vessel which is called as vein, which brings all the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Okay, so based on these differences, we have arteries, we have capillaries, we have veins. So arteries are the one which carry the blood away from the heart. So you are able to see that artery is the one which is carrying the blood away from the heart and bringing it to the moving to the tissues. Veins, they return the blood to the heart. So what the veins are doing, these veins are the blood vessels which is bringing the deoxygenated blood from the cell and bringing it back to the heart. What is a capillary? So capillary, it becomes a connecting link between an artery and a vein. So you have this capillary network of blood vessels and it is present in between the artery and the vein. So it becomes a connecting link between artery and the vein. If you see the arteries, if you see in this picture, artery is deep seated. That means it is below your skin. It is bit inner side of the skin, and as compared to the vein, which is much more superficial as compared to the arteries. So sometimes if a person is bit thin and lean, then you must be able to see some kind of a blood vessels on your hand. Okay, so those are nothing but the veins which is visible just below your skin. Okay, so veins are superficial and arteries are situated, they are deeply seated. Uh, okay, then arteries, they carry oxygenated blood, so they are bringing the oxygenated blood from the heart and supplying to the tissues. Whereas veins are the ones which carry the deoxygenated blood from the tissues back to the heart. And what is the function of capillary? So the function of capillary is exchange. Since this capillary, that is a network of blood vessel, it is surrounding the tissues, so it can exchange the material with the tissues, and then it can throw it back into or get connected to the venule, and the venule will get connected to the vein and bring the deoxygenated blood to the heart. Okay, so these are the different types of blood vessels, which is in which the blood is continuously flowing. Okay, after this video, we will have to learn about now heart, which is pumping the blood into the arteries and which is acts as a pumping organ, and it is pumping the blood into the arteries, which is supplying the oxygenated blood to the tissues, then back into the veins, and then back into the heart. Okay, so that we will cover in the next video.